Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make this really simple Father's Day card using Procreate basic pen tools. Starting with your canvas size, I'll be using the square canvas, which is 2048 by 2048 pixel. I have written all the color palette as well on my website, and you can check them out down below, but I am grabbing the darkest blue color in the palette for background color. Now I'm just going to add text that says Dad. I want to look for impact font. I just think this font works best for what I'm going for, but feel free to experiment. As for the size it however much you want, but I put 470.7 point. Now I'm just grabbing this Shutterstock heart template from my photo album, but I also have this on my website for you to grab from. I just size it so that it fills about the entire page. Now I just want to go in and reduce the opacity for it and move my dad font on top of the inserted image. Now you just want to make sure that the dad font is in the middle of the heart. In Procreate brush, there's this called sketching, and go for the 6B pencil. Really good pencil if you want to get like a chalky kind of effect. Gonna grab the light blue and start drawing heart. I'll keep on going back and forth with the yellow and the light blue and the yellow and the light blue, but technically it's just drawing tiny hearts inside the larger heart template. So a little technique that I'm just gonna show you here. Instead of drawing the entire heart, I'm just gonna draw half of the heart. I'm just gonna duplicate the little hearts layer, and in one of the layer I'm going to flip the heart and reflect through uniform. Now you just want to make sure that the heart is in a proper place. And you can turn on the other layer as well, and you can even turn on the template, the heart template, just to make sure that it's right on. Just going closer here, you can turn on the other half piece of the heart and start deleting some pieces. You can see that it was overlapping, and now you can just add on the extra hearts. Once you're done that, you're pretty much all done. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that this video helped.